Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this class, I am going to teach you partial differential equation. This is my 7th class. In this class, I will teach you standard form 4, in which the differential equation will be of the form z is equal to px plus qy plus f of pq. So the theory part of this problem is the Chapit's auxiliary equation in this case becomes dp by minus p plus p equal to dq by minus q plus q. This implies dp by 0 is equal to dq by 0, by which we will get p is equal to constant, let it be a, q is equal to constant, let it be p. The complete integral or complete solution in this case is given by z is equal to x plus by plus f of b. Here, this type of equation is known as a Claude's form of equation. So, let us solve a problem using this standard form 4 rule, by which the idea behind it will be more clear to you. The question is z is equal to px plus qy minus log pq, and we have to solve this question. Here z is equal to px plus qy minus log pq. Then the complete integral in this case is given by z is equal to ax plus by minus log ab, and because we have replaced p by a, q by b, so that we get here z is equal to x plus by minus log ab. Now to find the singular solution, in order to find the singular solution, to find the singular integral or singular solution, so we have to differentiate this equation 1 with respect to a. Differentiating equation 1 with respect to a, we get 0 is equal to x minus 1 by b into b. This implies x minus 1 by a is equal to 0, implies a is equal to 1 by x. So we get a is equal to 1 by x. Again, differentiating equation 1 with respect to b, we get 0 is equal to y minus 1 by ab into a. Derivative of log ab with respect to b. So this implies y minus 1 by b is equal to 0, implies b is equal to 1 by y. Now putting the value of ab in equation 1. putting the value of a and b in equation 1, we get z is equal to 1 by x into x, 1 by y into y, minus log 1 by xy. So which is equals to 1 plus 1 plus log xy. So this implies z is equal to 2 plus log xy answer. So which is the singular integral? So here the question is, we have to solve z is equal to px plus qy minus log pq. It is actually in the Claude's form. Z is equal to px plus qy plus f of pq. Then the complete integral by Chapit's rule, we get p is equal to a, q is equal to b. Now putting p is equal to a, q is equal to b, we get z is equal to x plus by minus log ab. This is the complete integral. In order to find the singular integral, we have to differentiate equation 1 with respect to x first, and we are getting the value of a here. Again, differentiating equation 1 with respect to b, we get the value of a b here. This is 1 by y, a is here 1 by x. Now putting the value of a b in equation 1 after simplification, get z equal to 2 plus log of xy, which is the singular solution. With this, our first problem is solved. Let us proceed to solve the next question. Here we have to solve z is equal to px plus qy minus 2 root over of pq. So the complete integral is given by z is equal to ax plus by minus 2 root over of ab. So we have replaced p by a, q by b. Now to find singular integral or singular solution. Differentiating equation 1 with respect to a, we get 0 is equal to x minus 2 1 by 2 a b to the power minus half into b. So this is equals to x minus b by a root over. Differentiating again equation 1 with respect to b, we get 0 is equal to y minus 2 1 by 2 a b to the power minus half into a. So this is equals to y minus root over of a by b. So is equal to b by a root over y is equal to a by b root over. Now x into y is equal to root over of b by root of a into root over of a by root over of b. Now x into y root over of b by root over of a into root over of a by root over of b, which is equal to 1. That is xy is equal to 1 is the required singular integral answer. Here the question is, we have to solve z is equal to px plus qy minus 2 root over pq. Now this is complete integral. We have got it replacing p by a, q by b. Differentiating equation 1 with respect to a, we get this expression, and differentiating equation 1 with respect to b, we get this expression, from which we get x is equal to root over of b by a, y is equal to root over of a by b. Multiplying, we get this is 1, which is the required singular integral. With this, the topic for today class is completed. I shall meet you with a new topic in my next class. Till then, goodbye.